Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. I've been a fan of ribs, always will be, always have been, and today we made these oven-baked pork ribs. They're incredibly delicious, coated with a gorgeous sauce. They're fall off the bone, tender, juicy, yum. You're gonna love them, so let me walk you through it. Okay guys, to kick things off here, what I've got is about 1 kilogram of pork back ribs. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some brown sugar to this. And this is going to be a rub. And this would be somewhere in the neighborhood of about 1/4 cup. But you know, you can just kind of play it by ear. Some paprika. And again, you know, just kind of eyeball it. Some garlic powder. Now you can go ahead and use fresh garlic if you like, but garlic powder works well too. Some salt. And of course some freshly ground black pepper. Then of course I'm going to massage this into the meat. And the ribs really like that. And obviously you're going to do this for both sides. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and cover this with some aluminum foil. And we're going to slip this into a 300 degree Fahrenheit, 150 Celsius oven for about, I'd say 2 to 2.5 hours. After a couple hours, we're going to do the unveiling, and look at this. Doesn't this look incredible? So I'm going to crank up the heat to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to baste this with one of my favorite sauces, and this is a blazoling chipotle. But you know, you can use the sauce of your choice or make it from scratch. Slip this back into the oven uncovered for about 20 minutes. I'm going to baste this again after 10 minutes. After about 20 minutes, I'm just going to set our rib rack aside on a cutting board. And this looks and smells incredibly delicious. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and cut these guys in half. Just look at that delicious goodness. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. There's really only one way to eat ribs, and that's the messy way. Oh my goodness, guys. These are so good. I love the sauce. They're so tender. Incredible. Could eat these all day. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. Recipes galore there. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.